What's the meaning of avidity? Avidity. Avidity.
Avidity. Avidity. Avidity refers to the strength or intensity of a person's interest or enthusiasm toward something. It is a measure of how much one desires or craves for a particular thing or activity. A high level of avidity indicates a strong motivation and passion, while low avidity suggests a lack of interest or engagement. In various contexts such as marketing, sports, and hobbies, measuring avidity can help identify potential customers or fans, predict consumer behavior, and develop effective strategies to engage with the target audience.